One of the benefits of having a Umbraco Heartcore project is that you're able to have multiple environments. With additional environments, you are able to do tests before sending your code and content to your production environment. My name is Michael, and in this video I will show you how you can add and remove additional environments on your Heartcore project. Once you have logged into the portal, you are able to see a list of all your environments. As you can see on my project, I only have one environment at the moment. To add additional environments, simply click on Manage Environments. From here, click on Create a Development Environment and you will be prompted with a confirmation box. Click Yes and Umbraco will create the extra environment for you. As you can see, Umbraco is setting up the environment and it usually takes a few minutes to complete. While it is completing, I would like to tell you a little about the difference in how adding environments work on Heartcore as opposed to on a regular cloud project. The Heartcore plans determine how many additional environments you are able to create. For example, you are only able to have one environment on a mini plan, while you will be able to have 3 environments on a professional plan. If you would like to know more about the different plans, you can find a link in the description below. When creating an additional environment, you will get a complete copy of your production environment. As you can see, Umbraco has created the environment, so if I refresh the page, you'll see that the environment is ready, and you can now start working with the extra environment. So to delete an environment, you click on the Manage Environments again, and you'll be able to remove the environment you have created. Click Yes, delete this environment. You'll be prompted with a box where we will have to write in the name of the environment we want to delete. In this case, it's the development. So we type that in here and click Confirm. The environment has been deleted and you're now sent back to the project overview. So that's it. In this video, I have shown you how you can easily create and delete environments. So thank you for watching, and until next time, stay Umbazing.